What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a like and share with your friends, would be awesome. New quarantine hat because my hair is an absolute mess. Haven't had a cut in at least 8 weeks. So yeah, I'm back down at the garage guys, not for long. I just came down to tidy up a bit before I have to go home. I was on work today and it's now like 8:30. So I just thought I'd give you a look at what I'd done off camera. The last day I was here, I was on a Zoom call with friends, it was our birthday. So I'm just going to show you what I've done. I tidied up some of the wire in here, so have a look. Obviously it needs a good scrub. I'm going to buy one of them steam cleaners and I'll get all this gone, but it's literally just sitting on top of it. So it's not too bad, so I can steam clean that. But all this wiring, it was all over the place. I cut and lengthened wires so they'd fit nicely, the likes of this. I cable tied, that's the accelerator cable. Then I had 2 wires coming in here that were just sitting there, but I lengthened them and I brought them up to the brake reservoir and they plug in now, so that's nice and tidy. It looks okay. Obviously I'll cover them up with that wire tape that you can get. It's really nice looking. Also these wires here were all over the place, they swung around here. It was all just done really rush job. But obviously I have time now to sort it, so I'm going to obviously get that other tape as well. So this looks tight, but it's not, it's actually quite loose. These are just the earths that go to the fan and the horn. So I just fixed all the wires. There was a few broken wires as well that I found, so luckily I done it. But yeah, it's just, everything is just dusty, so it's just dirty, so everything just needs a wipe. So I might give that a wipe down now and we'll do it before and after. Before and after. It's amazing what 5 minutes does, just giving it a quick wipe. But I can't wait to take this gearbox out because I will be getting a new gearbox. That's an S80 4.9. It's a 98 spec Integra type R box with final drive from a 96. I'm nearly sure, but it is a 4.9 anyway. So it's very short ratio for this car with the 13s on it. So I'm going to try and get an S4C out of a Type R EK9 Civic that has a 4.4 final drive. If I can't find one of them, I'm just going to buy a spoon final drive for it, maybe a 4.1 final drive, and it'll lengthen the gears so much better. So yeah, that's just a few minute tidy up guys. That I might get new hoses, but these were cut to fit the car. They fit the car good, they've been joined here, so I might try and get a new rad hose kit. Clean up the blue leads. I do like the blue leads, they might stay. I might try and get different colour ones, but I do like the blue. It kind of goes pop in the engine bay. I will be spraying the inlet, the wrinkle black, like this. This will be getting redone as well in a different colour. This is staying, that's a real carbon fibre cover. I'll be getting rid of all the stupid little bits and pieces in the engine bay. I'm going to build a cover for this, so it's covered and all you see is this and the hoses. Different one of them anyway, that's purple, needs to go. But other than that, I just want to do a general tidy of the engine bay. There's a lot more room over here. I do have a carbon ITG filter that's going to fit here, and then a straight pipe into the inlet, into the throttle body. So I just need a turn off like this to go on here, cut it on an angle, then do a straight pipe and then into the airbox right here. So this is a perfect home for the box. I'm going to build a tab off this because this is still really strong. Build a tab off that for the airbox. So all you'll see here, I know you're not going to see this area, but I want to clean it up anyway because I'll know I'm a neat freak. Even though when we rushed the job the last time, I'm still a neat freak. Everything was cable tied beforehand. You can see all the old cable ties. The little white ones are the new ones. The grey ones are the old ones. So what I want to do is I just want to refresh everything. I will be getting one of them heaters, the little cleaners, the steam cleaners. It heats up the water really hard, really fast and hot. and I'll add degreaser to it and blast all this, because this is brake fluid after taking the paint off. So that's raw metal you can see there. So I really need to get that down, sand it, take these wires away, sand that and paint it again. But the rest of the frame is fine. Under here isn't going back to metal. It's literally just here where it's dripped on from this pipe. So other than that, that's pretty much it that I want to do with the engine bay. I'm going to take my manifold off, because when I did first get it done, it was shiny and it was pretty and nice and not like that. But I'm going to take that off and repolish it, and maybe, I know it's pointless polishing and wrapping it, but I might polish it and wrap it, or I might polish it and try and get like a heat resistant lacquer. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the engine bay for now. I just thought I'd come down and do a few little bits and pieces. So I need to fix this Buddy Club air condenser. It's just a little plate in here, just needs to go to the front. That lights up blue, it's pretty cool. That's what all the blue airts are off, the Buddy Club air condenser. So that's pretty much it for the engine bay now guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leg it, I'm going to go home, and we will pick up this video tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Peace. What's up everyone? It is the next day. I'm down here at the garage obviously. So I'm just down here. I'm gonna fit my brakes to the Mini, and then I'm gonna do a bit of work on the EG6, but I'll keep that for another video. So yeah, I'm going to concentrate on the brakes on the car and hopefully get them fitted properly now. I'm not gonna bleed them, I just want to get them on the car and see what they look like through the wheels. Obviously I want to be able to see the red caliper through the wheels, as the wheels are a chrome lip with the black and chrome mesh. It's kind of like a diamond cut effect. It's not like shiny chromey look, but it's decent. I do like it. So I want to make sure that I can see the calipers through the actual wheel, because you can't really see the CAD 4 pots as they're 10-inch and they sit really high at the back. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that. And just to show you another thing guys, I did get a new hoodie. I bought one myself and got it done just to see what they look like, and they actually look really decent. I do like it. It's a really nice fit, really comfy. And if you want one, just hit me up. I have a website, urbanbackstreetgarage.com. You can hit me up on YouTube if you like. Message me on Facebook, Instagram, whichever one you want to get me on, you can get me on and I'll write back. So yeah guys, I'm going to get cracking on this Mini. I'm going to grab the jack, because it's been at my house for a few weeks. I've been working on the Civic, so I'm going to grab that and I'm going to jack up the Mini. Now guys, just to give you a comparison in the brakes, so these are the 10-inch discs and they are solid, and we are going to put them up against the new 8.4 Metro vented. Even the caliper is 1.5 times the size. The disc is much bigger and obviously vented, so it'll cool down better, braking better. So yeah, that's one side done. It looks ace. I do have to say it looks good. So I'm going to bang the wheel on, give everything another bit of tightening, and bang the wheel on and see how it looks. Now, there we are, wheel bolted on. You can see the disc and the caliper through the wheel really nicely. I do like it, it looks good. So I'm happy with that. That's number one. His wheels are filthy. You need a good wipe. I'll give them a good wipe now. I'm going to give them a wipe now. They're pretty filthy, so yeah, quick wipe. obviously that's just a quick wipe down, but yeah, they come up good. They look good with the red caliper behind there. So hopefully that's the braking sorted for the car. I'm going to jump on the other side and do that real quickly. Now that's that side done now. All in there, nice and red. I will get the calipers a good clean. I did get them mucky with the dirty hands obviously. But a good degrease and a bit of touch up paint will do fine. So yeah guys, that's going to be it for now. My brother dropped down for a while. His engine came. Freshly rebuilt B16A. Looks good. He's going to get a good steam cleaner and he's going to clean off everything. He's going to get the sump painted. He's going to take off all the bracketry. He's going to get that all cleaned up. I'm going to do the rocker cover for him. He wants a wrinkle black and he has a carbon cover for us. So yeah, it's coming along nicely. It looks the job. So he's going to finish that off to go in to the old Civic there. And yeah, that should look very well in the engine bay when it's done. So yeah guys, I'm going to leave it at that. I got a bit done today. I got the brakes fitted. I didn't get much done on his doors, but I will be back down tomorrow. That'll be a separate one. But yeah guys, if you like the merch, give it a look. PM me if you're interested. It does help me a lot with the channel and the builds to get them going. Bit of extra towards everything else. And don't forget the raffle for the Civic. Every sale you get a raffle number. I don't really want to get rid of the car, but you know what, it's good for the channel, good content and good for everyone that watches. So yeah guys, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, keep in touch, enjoy the videos. And guys, I'm going to say goodbye for now, but I will see you in the next one. So appreciate you for watching, stay until the end. Peace out guys.